So if you're watching this, Instagram has probably removed the like feature from your page. No worries, I'll show you right now how you're going to be able to still see the likes and the engagement on other pages as well. Stay tuned. So recently, to basically change the culture of Instagram that they have created, which is a like culture. A like culture is basically what I mean by that is it has caused, many humans ranging from different ages, but particularly, teenage and young individuals to start feeling depressed or have moments where they feel like they're not enough if they're not getting a certain amount of likes as other people, which actually causes them to be less social and think then because they're not some big figure on the internet that their pictures don't matter. So Instagram was trying to, delete the culture they created by deleting like feature. So if you are in that boat and you are in a country or you have officially got the update that removes likes, it is okay. There is a loophole where you can still check them, and I'm about to show you just how you can still access them by using Instagram's desktop site. All right, so once you're actually on the inside on your desktop, you're just going to go to instagram.com/ whatever username you're wanting to look up. And as you can see here, once you begin to put your mouse over things, you can see the amount of likes and comments on there. So if you're still wanting to see how your engagement is going or how well you think you're doing, you can still do this. For me, primarily, I want to be looking at other people that are doing what I'm doing online, whether as an influencer, what niche I'm in, what area of category I'm in, and people that are really movers and shakers, and me see what is working for them. What are they getting likes on? Which things are not getting the same amount of engagement. So then you can learn what you need to give to your audience in there. Um, you know, this is just a way to work around it. I don't know how long that this will actually still be working and available, but for now, this is a great fix if you have removed likes from your Instagram already, or if your country is under that update right now. So I hope you found value from that. Like I was saying earlier, this is a great tip to work around it. And if you want to continue to learn how to leverage social media updates as they come, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you love this video, give it a like, give it a comment. I hope to see you soon.